Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy F30 here. Today we're going to be doing a new install on a diffuser, the rear of course. Purchased it from Kai's Motorsports. It'll be linked down in the description as usual if you guys want to purchase the same one. And yeah, let's get right into the install. It should be a quick, easy one. Sorry, man. Okay, so here's the diffuser, matte black. Might possibly just put some clear coat over it, make it gloss in the future. But it's an easy install. All you'll need is a T20 and 8mm. You're gonna need both of these, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so from what I've seen is you just kind of just take these clips that are like right up here, and so you just kind of just have to work it out. So we're gonna trunk opens again, but yeah, we're just gonna try to work it out.
Woke up? You woke up?
Oh, fuck. So for beginner there, we can see the focuses. Here, this clip right here, bumper goes into. It's kind of hard, sorry. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You just gotta take all these clips out to go all the way along, and then
Gotta get back in your TV with that.
You have a phone sheet or anything in car?
Oh! Get it, man, get it!
as you can see, they go into these clips right here, and you kind of just like pry it out in a way. So that's it. Alright guys, that's the diffuser. Quick install. I didn't really show towards the putting in the clips and the screws because it was being a real pain. So, but it's on. See in the cinematic, it's on. It looks a little more aggressive, and that's pretty much it. That's another video we have on the F30 340. So if you guys are new, make sure you leave a like, sub, and comment down below whatever. And we'll see you in the next install or whatever the video may be. So yeah, peace.